Hey, what's up guys? This is Dan Duran with Rhino Cybersecurity, and I have some crazy news for you. Researchers are issuing warnings regarding the new phishing-as-a-service model used by cybercriminals. Caffeine, a previously unknown phishing-as-a-service toolset, is being used by cybercriminals to scale up their attacks and deliver malicious payloads easily. There is another application out there called Evil Proxy that just came on the spotlight probably about a month ago, and they're using, onion routing here. You can see here, this is the Evil Proxy using an onion URL. But let's check this one out, and you're gonna see that this is absolutely crazy. For those of you who don't know what phishing is, right? I'm pretty sure everybody knows what phishing is. It's basically hackers trying to deceive people by sending these fake emails and people clicking on the links and then getting their credentials, username and password stolen through harvesters, or clicking on a link and downloading some malware in the form of executables or a macro on a Word document and then getting their computers infected. That is in itself phishing. But this is a new business model for hackers where they have a software as a service platform online, and they can sell memberships to anybody to go sign up and then do phishing activities for the hackers and then get money out of it. So this is just absolutely crazy in itself that is turning into a business model. If we go down the Mandiant article here, I noticed a couple of things. So, okay, they show the quality of the landing pages. You can see this landing page here, fake landing page, and then this is the login for Caffeine, which is pretty sexy in my opinion. If I keep on going down, then I see a couple of things here. So the first one is the very good looking interface for the Caffeine store. And if I go down the page here, I notice there's a link, right? It's called caffeines.store, right? So if I go to that link, it is open to the public, right? It's not an onion URL. This is in plain sight using HTTPS, right? So it is encrypted and it has a valid security certificate. All right, so now we're gonna get a bit into the rabbit hole in here. So if I click on this connection is secure, and then I click on the certificate is valid, and I click here, then I'll see who is giving out this security certificate, and voila, Cloudflare. Are you freaking kidding me? Cloudflare is giving security certificates to a hacker domain. That is absolutely insane. I don't know if I'm the only one who's noticing this crap, but come on, Cloudflare, you shouldn't be doing this. So okay, so for those of you who don't know what Cloudflare is, let me just go into the Cloudflare platform. So Cloudflare is basically the biggest content delivery network in the world. It's a reverse proxy. So what they do is basically you can connect to Cloudflare and then it proxies your IP address into another IP address so hackers don't hack you. They also have a very powerful WAF or web application firewall that stops DDoS attacks and SQL injections, as well as cross-site scripting and stuff like that, which is pretty darn decent. And they also give out security certificates because they're a trusted authority that gives security certificates to websites. Now they're giving, right now as we speak, a security certificate to the hackers. Why is this happening? Now let me do a couple other things. So I'm going to click on my Webalizer add-on, Google Chrome add-on, and I can see, for example, okay, so this site is using Google Font APIs, is using Font Awesome, it is HTTP3, wow, it's pretty modern, and PHP as the main backbone programming language. They're also using JS Deliver, they're using CDN.js and Google hosted library, obviously, and then here we see Cloudflare, right? So Cloudflare, I don't know why Cloudflare is giving out these hackers an SSL certificate. Cloudflare, if you are there and you're listening, shut them down right away. Google also, they should not be displaying this website here on the public view. And yeah, let's do something about this. So yeah, this is crazy news. Most phishing operations include phony sign-in pages, website hosting, site templates, and credential theft. These are generally developed and deployed by operators, but now we're seeing that these operators are actually giving out memberships. So if I go back to the Mandiant article, you see here that there's this page here, and these are the different prices that the hackers are charging for the membership. So the basic is $250 per month. Then you have a professional hacking license, I guess, for $450, and then an $850. And what do they include? They include PHP and Python versions, auto update, inbox letter for Office, obviously, unlimited support because the hackers also have technical support, and $50 for renewing a plan. And then we see the professional, they have more email checkers, and then the enterprise comes with all the bells and whistles for the hackers, right? So here are the modules for Python, for example. These are the different emails that you can create, like for example, Office email. This is how it's gonna look when you get the message or the email message on your inbox. Now if I go, I guess it's supported by different languages also. They have language support. Office 365 sender. So I guess this is the main sender for 365. Hey guys, if you have any comments, any questions, make sure you post them down below, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel for more news and more information. I hope to see you next time. Have a great one.